Hello everybody, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews, and today I have another awesome video for you guys. Well, I think it's awesome. If you like magnets, you're going to think it's awesome as well. And if you're interested, you can find these products in my video description. Now, before we get started, I want to go and get you some other magnets that I've used in the past. These are one of my all-time favorite magnets. I mean, these are just the best for everything. These magnets are amazing. And I saw they updated the design, so I wanted to get more. And the great thing about this company is I have bought tons and tons of stuff. Oh wow, look at that finish. That is beautiful. Look at that finish. I have bought tons and tons of different products from this company, and mainly because it's affordable. If you need magnets, they are affordable. So look at these updated magnets. So here's that, and here's, they went with, they kind of went together. They went with a smaller, thinner style, a little different design than these bigger ones. But these are a little smaller so they can fit better. They're definitely just as strong towards each other, so that's good. I use these, well, my wife and I use these for our refrigerator and also my file cabinet. But my dad loved these when I gave him some, well, these. So I'm going to give my dad some as well. These magnets overall are extremely nice and I really love them. I can give them a 10 out of 10 because these are the best magnets for a refrigerator or for easy grabbing and letting go of something. You know, it's simple. You take a magnet like this, it's easy to grip with your finger. You stick it on something, just pull it right off. There's no clipping, there's no clamping. That's why these are my favorite magnets of any magnet I've ever owned. And as soon as I saw the updated design, I said, yeah, I need to get me some of these. And they're a great price. If you're interested, you can find them in my video description. Take care, guys.